This screencast will demonstrate the workflow of importing videos to PlayPosit from your choice of video host. PlayPosit supports two public video hosts, YouTube and Vimeo, and multiple private video hosts like Panato, Kaltura, and Zoom. If certain video host options are grayed out, which means those video hosts are not part of your license or have not been set up by the administrator, please contact the institution administrator for questions regarding accessing those video hosts. To use the public video source, simply click on the icon and type in the keywords to search for the video. Then click on the desired videos and click on Done to import it. You can import the public video with this workflow. If you want to import unlisted YouTube video, please use the Input URL button above and paste the URL to it. Also, please note that PlayPosit will not be able to import the video if the video's privacy setting is set to private. To use Panato as a video source, please click on the Panato button and log in with your Panato account. Once logged in, you can find the video you have in Panato. Also, you can directly upload new videos or even start recording a new video to Panato within PlayPosit Bob Designer. After picking the video you want to use, click on Select Video to import it. To access other private video host options, you must first link your hosting account with your PlayPosit account. Click on your name at the top of the sidebar menu, and select User Settings. Scroll down to the Video Integration section, and enter your user ID into the corresponding section. Then click on Update Integrations. You will receive the approval email within 8 business hours upon approval to confirm that the account has successfully been linked to your PlayPosit account. After the account is linked, you can then click on the desired video host and pick the video you would like to use to build a bulb. If your institution is using Canvas and you would like to use Canvas Studio as a video host, please follow these steps. Add a new assignment in your Canvas course, change the submission type to External Tools, and find PlayPosit. Click on Set Link to access PlayPosit. Go to My Bulbs page and click on Add New Bulb. After the Bulb Designer opens in a new window, select Canvas Studio as the video host. If this is your first time using Canvas Studio to build a bulb, it will prompt you to the login page. Please select Canvas Login and authorize PlayPosit to access your Canvas Studio. Then you will be able to pick a video from your Canvas Studio. Please note that you can only use the video uploaded by yourself and will not be able to use the video shared with you by other instructors.